Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Microsoft Store is not working on your Windows. So that means that you cannot also download apps from the Microsoft Store. So let's go quick into the process. First, as you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select System. Scroll down and you'll find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you need to find for the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So you'll find that from here, Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Then you just need to simply click on the Run button that corresponds to it. And that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try on that. And for the next method is we can also clear the Microsoft Store cache. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type here wsreset.exe. It's wsreset.exe. Hit enter. And this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So from here, you just need to simply search for favorite apps, games, and movies. And for the next method is we can also click on the date and time icon or date and time on the bottom right corner. Make a right click on it, select adjust date and time. Make sure that set time zone automatically is on and also for the set time automatically, and make sure that you are in a current correct date and time. For the next method is we can also go ahead in the Windows search bar, type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Then paste this command. So this will be posted in the description section of this video. Hit enter to re-register the Microsoft Store. Then once done, you just need to type exit if the process is done. So the process is not yet done. So you just need to wait for the process to be completed. And once completed, close out of here. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, just open your Microsoft Store and this will be working this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.